TTP90 is an ultra-fast, universal plastic bonding product. It is suitable for bonding most plastics and metals. It is simple to use and cures in only 20 minutes. TTP90's proven record in bonding most plastics and metals means it is the favoured bonding product for fitters and mechanics in the road haulage, bus and coach, automotive, heavy plant and civil engineering industries, where it is used for guaranteed fast repair of broken brackets on wind deflectors, front headlight units, mirror housings and even jackhammer handles.